Alright guys, got the '07 Cadillac sts, and the problem here is the blend door motor. Let me not say blend door motor, let me say the mode door motor. Alright guys, the problem here is everything is working. The heat works, the AC works great, but the problem here is there's no air coming out from right here, right? So the guy he's not able to control the mode pretty much. So pretty much, let's say you want to select where you want the air to be from here. I don't even know the functions here. All right, so there's modes here. I need to get familiar with the system, but anyways, pretty much you can select you want the air to come this way, down, or defrost, whatever you want. All right, but he's not able to select that. It's just stuck facing up and down. So he's getting really cold air here, really cold air over there, but nothing, there's no thrust of the air coming this way. So pretty much the door that opens the direction is bad. All right, if you're having a problem that you have hot in one side, cold in the other side, or cold on the other side, hot on this side, and you're not able to change the temperature, there's some motors down here, guys. So I'm going to show you the blend door motor. All right, so I'm going to show you the blend door motors, also the mode door motor. Right guys, so I took off the glove box here. There was a whole bunch of screws. Just managed to take out the glove box. This is the cover in the bottom, which is sitting right there. Got the glove box up here, right? And there's a whole bunch of connectors or wiring that goes to the glove box. All right, so guys, if you look right down here, you're gonna see a blower motor resistor right there. Right behind that, you got the blend door motor for the driver's side. All right, a little bit more up above, you have something called the mode door motor, which is sitting right there, guys, right there. All right, you see that? You got 3 little screws, which are going to be so complicated to take out, but I'm going to figure that out, how to take it out. Once I have it out, I'll show you, but I'm not going to be able to make a video. So it's down there, guys. Be careful with this heated core pipes, these shiny pipes. So let the car cool off, guys. So let me do the job, and then I'll show you exactly what I did, what's the part number and everything. All right, so old one, you got 3 bolts, little screws. One right there, I just broke it off because that's going to be very tough to get to. And then you got one here, one there. All right, and this is what it looks like in the back. So this is the part number on the old one, and I'm using a Denso here. It's probably a different part number, but similar, same thing. And I took off this little arm control right here to put it on that one, and all you do is pull it off and put it back on. All right guys, so I'm gonna put this guy back in. All right, and let me show you where I took it out from, guys. Right there, as you can see, you got the white arms hanging there. So those are gonna go in here. All right, so gotta put it in really carefully, guys. So let me finish up the job, and there's not much to show and tell, guys, but very difficult, tight spot. I even took off the radio consoles here. Right, as you can see, there's not too much light in here because I got my light sticking down there, but there it is, guys. But no use of taking all this out. All right guys, doing good. I got the piece in there. I tested it. I had to do it twice because that white little arm on the left side came out. But anyways, I got it in there, but just want to show you guys, don't take this off. I wasted my time taking all this. Took this off. So all you need to do is work down there, guys. That's all you need to do, work down below. Right, so guys, let me set everything up. I'm gonna put the glove box back in, and then I'll show you how the air is working up and down. I should have done that. It was not showing, it was not coming out front. But anyway guys, if you have this car, you need to do that. That's what you got to do.